Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SAFWAN'S Samayal.
Let us marinate the fish. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, some curry leaves, required salt, one teaspoon coconut oil. Mix well. Squeeze half lemon. Add little water to dilute the masala. Masala is ready now. Now add fish pieces, 8 to 10 fish pieces. Marinate well. Let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let us fry the fish pieces. Transfer to a plate and keep aside. In a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 3 onions, saute well. Add 1 teaspoon salt, close and cook. Now add 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute well. Now add few curry leaves. Add 2 large tomatoes. Close and cook till the mixture softens. Now onions and tomatoes are cooked well. Now add 2 tablespoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, two tablespoon fish masala powder, half teaspoon cumin powder and mix well. Add 1 to 2 cups of water. Stir well. Close and cook till oil separates. Then add fish pieces one by one and mix with the masala. Close and cook. Our yummy fish fry gravy is ready. Transfer to a plate Garnish with curry leaves. Serve hot with rice and chapatis. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to SAFWAN'S Samayal.